People, process, progress. Pag-usapan natin to. If your strategy changes tomorrow, do you know who you'll need to execute it? HR planning starts where strategy starts. So if the business is moving digital, expanding services, or scaling operations, your manpower plan must move first, not follow. That means you have to start mapping future roles, required skills, and even readiness of your current employees. Because not everyone needs to be replaced. Some need to be reskilled, redeployed, or developed. So when HR planning aligns with business direction, change feels intentional, not chaotic. So if this resonated with you, follow me on the People Edit and let's keep the conversation going.